Well, I'm Nathan, and I'm doing coordinate system navigation. We're starting in coordinate world. So first, you need to get the emergency stops off. Both are off. Move the speed up to 100, just so it's easier to see on the camera. And then, moving joint 1 in world coordinate system. As you can see, it's moving. The tool itself is not changing too much, so now we go into joint 2. So it's just moving left and right. Moving joint 3, just up and down. Joint 4, it's rotating. Okay, now joint 5 for the world. The tool itself is kind of remaining still. Then joint 6. Again, the tool is remaining pretty somewhat still. All right, now onto coordinate tool, starting with joint 1. Wait, moving it up to 100 speed. Very similar to the world, how it kind of just moves left and right. Now joint 2, really just moving up and down. Multiple joints are moving to keep it so the tool remains linear. Joint 3, moving just back and forward. Again, multiple joints will move, so it remains still. Joint 4, up and down, while the joint remains somewhat stationary. Joint 5, moving around, yet the tool remains still. And finally, joint 6, with the tool navigation system, rotates it. So this one is very similar to world navigation system. Next, user. So let's see what happens here with joint 1. With joint 1, very similar, just back and forward. And just joint 1's moving. Joint 2, back and forward, left and right. Joint 3, up and down. Joint 4, remaining still, just rotating. Joint 5, tools remaining somewhat still. And finally, joint 6. It's pretty cool. It's just the machine's moving quite a bit, while the tool itself just kind of rotates back and forward a little. Next, joint coordinate system. Now, joint 1 is just the base moving back and forward. So no other joints moving. Joint 2, I'm gonna assume that it's just the joint moving up and down. Yep. Joint 3 with joint coordinate system, just up and down. Just that joint moving. Joint 4, rotating. Joint 5, just joint 5 moving, no other joints moving. And joint 6, I'm gonna assume that the tool itself will rotate. Yep, because just joint 6 is moving. All right, and that was all the coordinate systems. And this is Nathan Olson.